Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to change dates on documents so you can easily update any date information in your files. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the document you want to edit and make sure you have the proper editing permissions. This allows you to make changes without any restrictions. Step 2. Use the search function by pressing CTRL+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac to quickly locate the date in your document. This saves time, especially in long files. Step 3. Click and drag your mouse over the date to highlight it. Selecting it ensures that you replace only the correct information. Step 4. Type the correct or updated date in the format used in your document. This keeps consistency and prevents errors. Step 5. Save your changes by clicking Save or Use Save, as to create a copy while keeping the original document unchanged. This is important for backup purposes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.